Hey guys, I am back with another video. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a wheel swap. I'm going to try my best to explain how to wheel swap and what you should do first. So let's get started. So I have a Camaro right here. It's got these strange wheels that I don't really like them that much, but it's got these strange wheels. Then I have this strange Fox body Mustang. So it's HW art cars, but I'm not really a big fan of the way it looks. So I'm thinking that I put the Camaro's wheels on the Mustang's wheels. So what I do before I wheel swap is I take a look at what the width is. So like this black part and this black part, see if they're the same. And they're about equal, and as you can see, the wheels are kind of the same. They're about equal on the front too, so I think it'll be pretty simple. So let's just put these down. Sorry about the awkward camera angle. The reason is that I have a phone. I'm working with a phone right now. So what I like to do when I'm gonna wheel swap, and also what you need for a wheel swap is a power drill. So look at this power drill. This power drill is insane. Like, look at it, it's very powerful too. I don't know if you guys can read that, but that's about 120 volts. It's insane. 120 volts is crazy. So what I do is let me just untighten it. I take a drill bit that is about the same size as these things right here. So, see, it's the same size. So I think I figured it out with this drill bit. I don't know how big it is, but I'll figure it out so I can tell you guys later. So I like to take my drill bit and just do that. Do that. So that's what I like to do. So now let's get to the fun part. I'm gonna drill these. Gotta get my safety goggles on. In this case, my stupid glasses that I used to wear. Guys, just FYI, my vision is 20/20. Don't worry about that. Alright, let's do this. Uh-oh, forgot to plug it in. I braced for impact and everything, and I forgot. Alright, ready? See, gotta just dig in there a little bit. So Hot Wheels car, there's gonna be like a metal notch around it. You gotta get rid of that notch. But you can't get rid of it too much because what you want is a nice click. So let's just do that. Right, see that? No, look at that. Would you look at that, guys? Back end is coming off. So now I have to do the front. Did I get it? Nope. Didn't get it yet. A little bit deeper on it. Sometimes when you're doing this, there's always a one part of the car that's gonna be complicated, so I need to get myself a tool to pry it out with. I just had really dark thoughts. I was looking at my MacBook charger. Yeah, that wouldn't have gone well. Alright. So now I just have to pry it off. Boom! See that? Camaro. Look at that. Look at all the separate pieces. You can see everything in there. Isn't that pretty cool? Now, this Fox body must... Okay. So, I'm gonna do the same thing. Like, I got this fixed drill. Like, I didn't fix it onto the drill, but it's the one that I'll probably keep on for, like, ever. I'm getting all this tiny metal debris on my hand. Whoa. Okay. Well, I just decimated it. The reason I decimated it was because I got through and then the drill just went crazy on me. So, well, we got the back wheels. Let's go. It's a good time to leave the lake. Alright. How to get it? Really This power drill is so freaking loud. Hopefully the neighbors don't come knocking my door. That's how loud this drill is. Oh, got it. So now I got this. Put that right there. Now I got that. So as you can see, there's these three connectors right here. These three connectors right here. And I don't know if you guys can see it because there we go. Three connectors on this side. So same thing with this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna cut the one connector that's on that side because that's easier. So let me just cut that. Boom, got that out. Now got that out. Look at me. Doing really good right now. I got this crappy blue glass from it. I'm not a big fan of that, but I'll figure something out with painting it. So I have these. Let's do the same thing here. Cut it. Boom. Gotta get my knife. Got this from Harbor Freight. My dad got like a big red knife for something I forgot. But look at this cute little tiny knife. Look. So I'm gonna just sometimes, because this Camaro right now is giving me trouble. So I just have to do that. Boom. Got it. So now I'm gonna wheel swap it. So I'm gonna take the Fox body one, just to make sure. Yep, Ford Mustang. I'm gonna take the Fox body. It's back. Boom, fits like a glove. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna take this. Hey, just fell right in. Look at that. That's gonna look good. So I have that. Now I have the body. So I'm gonna come at you guys with another video, but I think maybe tomorrow, because maybe I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby today to get some black spray paint. I remember I had black spray paint, I just don't know where I put it. So I'm gonna paint this black, give it like a really nice, like Fast and Furious Night Burners look. It's gonna look lit. Like, the problem is with my wheel swaps is that Camaro, so the cars that I believe are inferior, they always get the bad end of the stick. So, for example, the Camaro right now, the original Fox body's wheels did not really like. But the Fox body is going to look lit. I'm a very big fan of the Fox body. Like this 2013 Camaro. I'm not a big fan of how they made him look. Probably gonna, forgot to put the interior and stuff in it. I'm not a big fan of the way they made him look. So that's why I'm doing the Fox body Mustang. So yeah, I think that's the end of my video. Oh no, I forgot. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna put it together for you. So let me put that. Ooh, this one's complicated. All right. Here. Oh, sorry, I'm so quiet, guys. I'm just trying to get the Fox body window in there. That's fine. Doesn't fit. How'd that happen? Oh, here we go. No, but it doesn't fit. I don't. Okay. Have it backwards. Guys, I had it backwards the entire time. Give me a slow clap. Alright. So I'm just gonna build it for you guys, and then I'm gonna have to go to Hobby Lobby to get some black spray paint. So I'm gonna paint this black, but I'm thinking about doing a wide body Mercedes A-Class. Tell me what you guys think. And tell me what you guys think of that. Yeah, that'll be good. Really want to end this video showing you guys the Fox Body Mustang, but seems that the Camaro front wheels just don't want to slide on in. Boom! See that click? That beautiful, satisfying click. So this is what it looks like. Rolls pretty good. Now let me show you guys the Camaro. Yeah, put it all together this time. You guys hear those two clicks? So they both roll really good. So with that, I'm going to end this video. See you guys later. Bye.